Hello students, welcome to our digital class. Today we are going to learn computer. In the last session we learned floppy disk, compact disk and digital versatile disk. So today we are going to learn USB flash drives and how to use USB flash drive. Can you see children? Here are some pictures of USB flash drives, that is your pen drives. So what is USB flash drive? Currently, the most commonly used type of storage device is the USB flash drive. A USB flash drive works on microprocessor technology, enabling it to have a very high storage capacity. In the flash drive, data is written on an interconnected flash memory, typically made out of silicon. This data is stored in floating gate transistors as electrical charge and makes the data last for a long time. With adding layers of silicon, higher data densities can be achieved. So, to access the data in the flash drive, it needs to be connected to the computer through a universal serial bus, that is the USB connector. See children, the full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. The USB flash drive available today offer capacity ranging from 1 GB to around 2 TB. The advantages of USB flash drive are: data can be stored for a long period of time, read-write speeds are quicker, durable, portable and convenient. That means you can use it for a long period of time and it is easy to handle and you can take it with you wherever you go. Now how to use a USB flash drive? See children, can you see these pictures? Yes, this is the proper way to handle or to insert the USB flash drive to your PC or your laptop. This is the window which shows you the USB flash drive attached to your PC. The USB interface available with flash drive allows you to easily connect these devices to your computer. If the USB flash drive and the USB port available in the CPU are functional, you can easily connect the flash drive to the computer. Can you see here? Moto G. So when you connect a pen drive, this type means the on the window you can see. Now, to mount and use USB flash drive, insert the flash drive into a USB port. The drive associated with the storage device appears in the File Explorer. See children, when you want to format your USB flash drive, that time this type of windows will appear on your desktop screen. So, in the next session, we will learn hard disk drives and solid state drives. Thank you.